Ever tried to access your Neon account only to be met with a frustrating "access denied" message? We've all been there, the dreaded login screen. It promises access to a world of entertainment, but sometimes it's just a brick wall. Today, we're diving deep into the common reasons why you might be facing Neon login issues and what you can do to fix them. Common reasons for Neon login issues: incorrect login credentials. Mistyped username or password, a simple typo can lock you out. Double-check your credentials, ensuring correct capitalization and special characters. Forgotten password. If you've forgotten your password, most platforms, including Neon, offer a forgot password option. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Technical glitches and server issues. Temporary outages. Sometimes, technical difficulties or server maintenance can disrupt access to the platform. Check Neon's official social media channels or support page for any service disruptions. Browser-related problems. Ensure you're using an up-to-date browser. Outdated browsers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or switching to a different browser altogether. Account restrictions or suspensions. Violation of terms of service. If you've violated Neon's terms of service, your account might be temporarily restricted or suspended. Review the terms of service and ensure you're adhering to them. Payment issues. Unpaid subscriptions or billing problems can sometimes lead to account restrictions. Check your payment information and ensure your subscription is active. Troubleshooting tips. Clear browser cache and cookies. This can resolve various technical issues, including login problems. Disable ad blockers and extensions. Ad blockers and certain browser extensions might interfere with the login process. Try disabling them temporarily. Update your device's software. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Keep your device's operating system and apps up to date. Contact Neon support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to Neon's customer support. They can provide specific assistance tailored to your situation. Additional tips. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized access. Use a strong, unique password. A strong password with a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols can help prevent unauthorized access. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Public Wi-Fi networks can be less secure, so avoid logging into sensitive accounts on them. With these tips, you should be able to resolve most common Neon login issues. Remember, patience and persistence are key. If you're still facing difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from Neon's support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.